In my effort to learn shaders, I'm working on this melted shader that, albeit, is a little more blocky than I want it to be, but we get this kind of melt effect. And the way we do that, this is a sprite 2D. I put on it a shader of the type canvas item because it's a 2D shader. I'm going to export out to the inspector via uniform, melt progress, noise scale, and arch strength. All three will also be available in our GD script. Melt progress, 0 is not melted, 1 is completely melted. Noise scale is what we're going to use to compute the wave that is breaking up our object. And then arch strength, I want the sides to melt a little faster than the center, and we can control how much faster they melt using that arch scale. So we're going to have this float that we're going to pass in the X of each pixel, and it's going to use the sign to kind of scramble that up. And remember, X0 is here, X1 is here, Y0 is here, Y1 is here. And so we're going to do a void fragment, which means whatever we do in this code is going to happen on every single pixel. We're going to grab X, which is going to be the UV column we're in, and then we're going to pass that into that simple noise. We're going to get our noise, and then we're going to set our arch so we know how strong that is, and then we're going to set our melt offset. This is where we're going to combine our noise and our arch, and we're going to get that smooth edges melt faster than the middle. Middle melts the same speed it would if we didn't have this arch. Then this new Y is going to be the new coordinate of our pixel. And then here's where we're actually going to sample it, and we're going to move it down there. And then down here, we're going to do this math, where this is going to check to see whether this new Y coordinate has gone off the bottom of the screen. Is it greater than or less than 0? If it's less than 0, it's going to return 0. If it's greater than 0, it's going to return 1. And we're going to set our alpha to that. That way, there are no artifacts left once we move off the bottom of the screen.